Welcome back to Rev Car, the place where car lovers come to discover the latest performance machines, exciting automotive innovations, and the future of legendary vehicles. If you enjoy powerful sports cars, advanced technology, and the most exciting new models on the road, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at a machine that continues to redefine the American supercar segment. Get ready to experience the newly unveiled 2026 Corvette C8 Z51, a next-generation performance icon that pushes the limits of design, speed, and engineering. The Corvette name has always represented performance, innovation, and bold American engineering. Since its introduction in 1953, the Corvette has evolved from a stylish sports car into a world-class performance machine capable of competing with some of the best supercars on the planet. The introduction of the mid-engine Corvette platform with the C8 generation completely changed the way enthusiasts look at this legendary nameplate. Now, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 continues that evolution with even more refined performance, sharper design, and advanced technology. One of the first things you notice about the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 is its breathtaking design. The car carries the aggressive and futuristic styling that made the C8 platform so popular, but with subtle refinements that enhance both aerodynamics and visual impact. The front fascia features larger air intakes and a more sculpted design that helps channel airflow more efficiently toward the cooling systems and aerodynamic components. The sharp LED headlights create an intense and modern appearance, giving the car a focused and performance-driven personality. The hood lines are carefully sculpted to guide airflow smoothly over the body, improving both stability and performance at higher speeds. Moving along the sides of the car, the mid-engine proportions become immediately apparent. The low stance, wide body, and dramatic side air intakes highlight the supercar-inspired architecture of the Corvette. These large air intakes are not just for style. They play a critical role in cooling the powerful engine positioned behind the driver. The body lines are sharp and athletic, giving the car a sense of movement even when it's standing still. Wide rear fenders and aggressive wheel designs give the Corvette an unmistakable road presence that demands attention wherever it goes. At the rear, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 looks even more dramatic. Quad performance exhaust outlets sit proudly beneath a sculpted rear bumper, while a functional rear spoiler enhances downforce and stability at high speeds. Sleek LED taillights add a modern signature look that perfectly complements the aggressive design language of the car. Step inside the cabin and you'll immediately see how the interior of the Corvette C8 Z51 is focused on the driver. The cockpit design wraps around the driver, creating an immersive and performance-oriented environment. High-quality materials such as premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and brushed metal surfaces give the interior a luxurious yet sporty feel. The seats are designed to provide strong support during high-speed driving while remaining comfortable for everyday use. Every detail inside the cabin has been carefully crafted to enhance the driving experience. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that displays important performance information such as speed, engine data, and navigation details. The display is customizable, allowing drivers to choose different layouts depending on their preferences or driving mode. The center infotainment system features a large touchscreen that offers advanced connectivity options including smartphone integration, voice control, and navigation. Despite its high-tech features, the layout remains clean and intuitive, ensuring that the driver stays focused on the road. One of the most unique design features of the C8 interior is the vertical row of controls positioned along the center console. This layout separates the driver and passenger areas while also providing quick access to climate settings and other vehicle functions. Now let's talk about what truly makes the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 special: its performance. The Z51 performance package has always been designed for drivers who want to experience the full potential of the Corvette on both the road and the track. Under the hood, or more accurately behind the driver, sits a powerful naturally aspirated V8 engine that delivers thrilling acceleration and an unforgettable exhaust sound. This engine produces impressive horsepower and torque, giving the Corvette the ability to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, the power delivery is smooth, precise, and incredibly responsive. Drivers can enjoy quick gear changes and immediate acceleration whenever they press the throttle. The Z51 performance package also includes several upgrades designed to enhance the car's track capabilities. A performance-tuned suspension system provides improved handling and cornering stability. Larger brakes deliver stronger stopping power, ensuring the car remains under control even during aggressive driving. The advanced aerodynamic package helps improve airflow around the car, increasing downforce and stability at higher speeds. This means the Corvette remains planted to the road whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing its limits on a racetrack. Another important aspect of the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 is its advanced technology. Modern driving modes allow drivers to customize the behavior of the car, depending on their driving style. From comfortable daily driving to aggressive track performance, the Corvette can adapt instantly. The car also includes a variety of performance monitoring systems that provide real-time data such as lap times, acceleration statistics, and vehicle dynamics. These features allow drivers to analyze their performance and improve their driving skills. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been improved in this new generation. Features such as traction control, stability management, and advanced braking systems work together to keep the vehicle stable and safe even during high-performance driving. The unveiling of the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 marks another important chapter in the story of the Corvette. It shows how Chevrolet continues to push the boundaries of performance and design while staying true to the spirit that has made the Corvette one of the most beloved sports cars in the world. For enthusiasts, the new Corvette C8 Z51 represents the perfect combination of heritage and innovation. It delivers the excitement and raw performance that drivers expect from a Corvette, while also introducing the modern technology and engineering needed for the future. From its aggressive exterior styling and driver-focused interior to its powerful V8 engine and track-ready performance upgrades, the 2026 Corvette C8 Z51 proves that the legacy of the American supercar is stronger than ever. So what do you think about the newly unveiled Corvette C8 Z51? Is this the ultimate version of the modern Corvette? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Rev Car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews, exciting reveals, and the most powerful vehicles coming to the road. More incredible automotive machines are coming soon, right here on Rev Car.